had learned a lot of good information about marketing, how to buy properties, how to find financing.
I think it helped. We've been looking at a lot of different things. This isn't new to us, but we're kind of at the point of getting over the hump of trying some new things. And the marketing section was awesome. Gave us some great ideas, kind of reinforced some of the things we've been thinking, and to get to see that they're actually working and people are doing it was awesome. Overall, I think it was a great weekend, good use of time, and I'm glad we did it.
We came to the boot camp to learn about buy and hold rental properties, and I feel we learned how to evaluate properties, how to make the right buy, and learned about a little bit about property management and information that will help us buy and hold the properties that we're looking for.
Yep, there were a lot of great ideas passed around between the individuals and the instructors.
It's phenomenal, especially if you're a new beginner. Although I have a couple properties on my belt, I've learned a couple things already that I wish I would have known a couple years ago before I got into flips. That would probably save me a ton of money. In my opinion, anybody that's interested in flips or wholesaling or rehabbing definitely needs to come and do something like this. 2 days, valuable experience.